You know, Louise, like, I do like the Hyanga úsáid.
Girl, úsáidem an tanga goni.
I know, but you really need to like get in there.
Yeah, but sin an fog vís raw is even like na icebergers. They really make you work for it, you know?
See, I'm a brunch girly myself. I don't think we'll thod any far or law bra say real.
Yeah, smallam na classics come up. Cumhrán and the Twisters. I feel like they're the cornerstone. They're the OG, the HB classic, like, aren't they? Dripping down your hand at the beach.
I do love a twister. I think sticky hands and sticky fingers are kind of synonymous. Le laig an trá, le lid an taurig. And do you know what one I love?
Go on.
A calippo. And they have a new flavour, strawberry.
You can't bait Clippo. It's a little bit of juice at the end. You're really spicing things up, aren't you?
Trying something new, Louise. What can I say? It's brolums and mohyanga at úsáid chomh. And sure, with HB celebrating 100 years, how can I resist?
Girl, none of us will resist. You can also join the fun and celebrate 100 years of HB by picking up your favourite HB ice cream on Saoirse. Fóill howtogael. This is a podcast brought to you by Fóill Ireland.
Louise, Thought and Sarah, well and truly ling a gabuinta shot, and I'm dying to get away giddy again in there.
Darren, I'm right there with you. I actually keep coming back to that feeling of, you know, taking a short break and just tugging sus.
Oh my God, I know much in Gavohian to say the shoulders drop, you take in that big deep breath and you just think, Carcalor, I'm a Sairnish.
Shinna Rod, do you know what it is for me? It's like the moment you arrive wherever you're going, you drop the bags, you take that initial little wander around and you're like, oh, it's on Fuishiv Shin. I've landed. I'm on a sus.
John, I'm feeling it straight away. I'm a little bit earlier than you. As soon as I hit the road, I'm blaring the Kyola radio to the Fanoga, Hisagum. I'm heading West Bader, toward Eig, Earn Wild Atlantic Way. The sea, the cliffs, the swims. If you're feeling brave, it just wakes you up.
Well, ein team latex to is hain gur bralum irhinatira. I love it. But on Saoirse, I'm kind of feeling something more, I don't know, they can Suíomh nach Lord Natira. I'm thinking the hidden heartlands. Nice little spa break, you know. Waking up, cushow and agdolig or coffee, Agus for they can quiche the das machine.
Well, that's the thing, isn't it? In Ireland, you get to choose your own pace. One day you can go full adventure. The next day you can slow it all down. Nearly and effort.
Exactly, dear. In Shinna there's no delays in the airport. There's no long travel days. Tá sé dasty and blee. You just go and you can enjoy your break from the very start.
Yeah, those moments really stick with you afterwards. You feel really recharged, a little bit lighter, like you're reconnected with yourself again. The cup is full. Shinna is tachty.
Sinead, and so whether you are chasing that Atlantic fwin of an air or maybe you want to take a sus in the hidden heartlands, whatever you do this summer, tug sus the chain.
So what are you waiting for? Din plan dud here a jaar inish egg discover Ireland.ie.
Steve, Agus fáilte go howtogael loves a Shiva.
Agus loves a Louise.
Agus Louise, do you really want to go on to you?
Yeah, Gurwagad. You know, actually, true enough, I'm shake dul go Lily Allen Mór because I feel like wouldn't this be a good Lily Allen concert top?
Well, because it's identical to her cota on the cover of her album.
Yeah, Sinead.
Polka dots is very in fui her.
I know. Agus there's a good hain. I love an out truck. I'll jump on any one of them.
Is this new?
Yes.
Did you got this to keep up with the trend?
To keep up with the trend, Agus Maria's right a deal in. I'm going to say it, lads, but there's an all-merciful sale on in Brent Thomas at the moment. And I just can't help myself. Aaron Dirty and Vies shop door. Via an Imshire Godas. Who goes shopping? Agus an Imshire Codas Shin. It was like fair Ocht came says I fell anyway into Brent Thomas. I don't know how it happened. The air conditioning was on. And the next thing I was on the second floor and it was Ochto Fon Gade off of the bits and look at.
Now, Sean different or Mishkas Tussa.
Yeah.
I will never know when there's a sale on in Brown Thomas.
But Nevian is go but like it comes up, my algorithm knows me so well. The next thing I'm like, oh, the gate. There's all anyway, look, anti-fast fashion, boo to all of this, but at the same time, a girl gotta get her dopamine hit where she gets
and
it.
she's gotta get her polka dots on.
But you know what, ní raibh she rochas the soch, right?
Tá she go Holland, tá she really good at it. And
yeah.
tá tú héis about on a racy Ladania. I feel like you're getting out your kind of like core area on a quid.
Yeah, get the tits out.
Tits and what's this? Midriff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
While I can, girl, I know. I don't know.
While you can.
But do you know actually, speaking of my midriff, I must ask your opinion on this.
Oh, go on.
I ordered a belly bar from ASOS. I think I'm going back to it.
No, yuck, Louise.
I think I am.
No.
Like, had they had that got leis na belly bars?
Ceap mise gur bhartímar an bud creile seo hana that belly bars and belly button piercings are like buska brewsker.
Yeah, well, I've made a kinanua and that's a shit solution and that we bring them back. I just chunig me belly bar or dinner ladani and it was was it fucking Charlene Murphy? It could have been dinner Love Island.
Sorry, Charlene Murphy has been on Love Island one day and thought Louise influenced.
Influenced had a thing. No, we dinner Ella gav belly bar. They had like a top and a bottom one. So the top of the skin was pierced Agus.
A double belly button piercing.
Like, because on a Gen Z, like, you know, on Sleamhnán will like the K2 fashion, Y2K, is that Do I just sound Shannon-ish?
No, I think it is. It's Y2K.
Y2K, like Donna Belly
Yeah.
bars a rash.
Okay.
And listen, I'm damned if I'm not going to hop on that trend as well.
Okay, but so an cíne sin bhfuil tusa chun low-rise pants a cough then leis an belly button alt amach.
No, I don't think I'll ever do the low rise, but I might. Do you know, I guess maybe I like a shoot people in my bikini. Do you know what
Okay, I'm going to let you percolate on that.
Yeah.
And then Tara Ashton talking to Huggin and shows your belly button and
know.
we'll see what happened in a week.
I just think I'm going to do it, right? Because there's a few things. I have a Today FM promo pic that was taken when I first started the show.
It's Queen of May, Tatu Cavan Rud Dove.
Under Rod Dove,
Yeah.
right? Agus tá an belly bar amach gum, right?
Oh, right.
And it icks me out so much because it's this big fucking scaldy diamante one. But I think I'm going to go for like a little, because I wear lots of belly tops, like.
You do.
Anyway, what I wanted to tell you is this gig Florence and the Machine, right? Agus vi sé Dira Kate, it was kind of a niche day actually as they go. Limerick Miners won the All Ireland. Woo! Up there, there's cuties.
Yeah.
16-year-olds. I don't want to get a dribble now, but they're so cute.
That's cute. As long as cute is the only word you say there,
Cute is the
Louise,
word.
we're good.
Well, I was thinking to myself walking in,
Just knock her in a speckly shin around her and you'll be fine.
any young wags or wag wannabes should be targeting these transitioners.
Okay. And you've crossed the line.
Okay, delete that bit. So I was Marialla's vs egg on glacadh, right? And then I was like Dulga Florence Machine. So I was like, we'll go for a nice little pint somewhere near to Thomond Park. Anyway, lads, I ended up in a pub I've never been to in my life in Limerick, right? It's called The Rock. And I don't think that's like the official name of it, okay? But Níl Thurasound. So kind of dullish stock like cool Valach for all the world.
Gotcha.
All of the windows are blacked out. So Níl solas ná dúrtha sa tig agus tá Camry and Gachat. So I just thought to you that like I've never experienced anything like
Okay,
it.
but go Camry and Gachat.
Sin and Kesh Nisco, maybe they're very security conscious. So I just thought to you that againn mar, right? You can watch TV and from every angle, gach illustrated that leads in, you can see what's going on.
Oh.
It's like being, I don't know, I kind of loved it.
It sounds like you're in
cash only.
it sounds like you're in the control room or the gallery of like Big Brother New They Get.
Yeah.
Is that what it feels like?
Yeah.
Okay.
But like kind of criminal as well, which by the way, if it is, I don't know. But I was like, so I went in getting the most like, because I'm off the drink at the minute, so I just got a West Coast Cooler Rosé. Because we all know nach chuir sé sin alcoholic. We're like cash
It's
only
the closest non-alcoholic you can get.
that you can get, yeah. So Sinead, I felt very like, I felt like I was in love hate or something. Do you know?
Kid. In the Rock. Okay,
Yeah.
a Limnock. Okay. And on Rev Beer Garden now.
Oh, girl, didn't even have windows. Like, it's like a bunker.
Okay, because I'm from Laghad das.
No, see, you should have style
Okay,
about
Gabra.
so we were
Yeah. Because I'd be sickened.
Flock boy
in all taking gone for yoga.
Yeah.
Air law das.
Yeah, but Eshbra Ella, like I would Mullen ain't a dull out. I mean,
Okay.
kind of like the escape rooms. Or something. Now, near really main Lehrer sound because
Near Friel to Leictreachas.
No,
You
near
didn't try
Friel.
the facilities. Okay.
I just thought, fuck it.
Yeah. Well,
Where are they?
There could have been cameras.
Well, do you know what? I
Do you know
didn't
what I mean?
chance
Like-
when I saw you had to go down a ladder and then like
No,
pull yourself through a rope.
Stop it too.
Now I'm joking.
When there was a trap door.
And someone standing there with a gun to my head. I thought, you know what? I'll hold it.
Who amongst us hasn't been kidnapped with the Lagoon letters? Do you know what I mean? Like,
these are the stories I want you coming back to the pod about.
okay, absolutely. Okay, didn't make me yield.
Yeah.
Okay, we're being co-raggers and Tahish talk to stock.
Maleshgale, they're the fans. Jesus, they've me plagued. Go on.
Okay, Rubio co-raggers Tahish stock and talking show. We've had some absolute bangers of Instagram comments and talking show the weeds. Okay,
Right.
so Erdeus. Listen to this. This is for you, okay?
Go on.
Louise, it's time to take over the late. Tara's chocolate the whole. You're the greatest expert from Limerick since Wogan.
Gurmina Magat Mum. Anava.
No.
Scríomh sin like.
No, it's far agent. I don't think unless your mom has a Finsta.
Bather.
You know, Bader Will Coco, you know.
But does she coca no Gerlanic Fain? I don't know if you've time to be running a finsta chuma. Being she like, actually, fui láir nu I'm looking at her like agus like ag fog and comments are like Narudi is at her. I'm like, Mom, you don't need to comment on sport TG Cahir, like, you know, Cogoridicus like to you know, I'm like, Mom.
But like I think go sport teacher car delighted going to Trock and
So
show
she
talk
just
to shop.
on
Do you know
a
what I mean?
either can you
So she just talk cool. Marguna.
cool, yeah. I'm like,
Go on, Coco.
Yeah, on
Coco,
Facebook,
you
Mom.
can always comment on my posts.
well, Sinead.
Okay.
But I'll take it. Gurmina Magat.
Well, Sinead, and talk Cora H for own like on my Patrick Kilty Rash, you know.
Agus I'd take Meg Shay. Like Sowling Mission now, Shiva, in all fairness, imagine me trying to get myself ready to be at fucking Donnybrook on a Friday.
No.
Gléasta,
No,
Agus Ray.
like there's high dough and then there's
Yeah.
the highest of doughs. Mar few August muid go vila dul and late mar Iana the outfit crisis was crisising.
Obvious free brew. I didn't sleep for 3 nights.
Yeah, so saola mar an óstach, you know. But on rud faoi seo, like I know that anna chud amnacha I'll go have a macacu done late show. But on rud faoi seo, and like this is my uneducated guess, right, with all my experience in the late show, like tá si de rá like, oh, Neil Connor fight ag Patrick Kilty, but it's I think this is just a negotiation tactic.
Yeah,
he's just like Lurg Nismo arrogant. It's not knuckle Connor own though. They just haven't agreed on the terms of an Connor, you know.
I say me sé rasharish. Like it's a slow burner. I mean, it takes a while. I don't think after is it ga seasons tá dianta
Ní is gom hartar sin.
Yeah, I can't say I'd say
yeah. Being on tenure like what cúigish shocked blian I'd say.
Sorry, achatu on fi on the Pat Kenny.
Oh my God.
Bring him back. Take
is it on Ryan Carrick on Vacathu Ryan Carrick on Foreshore. So take it Instagram Ryan Carrick and Fecker and Vishani and Shade the Pat Kenny Idolshius the slide. It's fucking I don't know this far go back my reels.
Oh, I rock doing count on tune at Screefex on Hennessy.
No.
Oh my God.
And when Michael Fry count come on, like how much Pat Kenny content is too much Pat Kenny content?
Not enough. Hook it to my veins. Like sorry, so Dane and like Bauer end of week email, right? Then Colach their father to say he was the talk of the town on Tachna. Like that video, the slide, iconic. Him going down with it.
Whoa.
So good.
Yeah, the vibrations.
Yeah, literally. So like, I don't know, like, we'll say sure Ella, could we get a Ray Ella, Pat Kenny? Does she shocked or they can?
Nar dark she also enroll if you a few in radio that she's got again Ella. So I don't think we can rope him back into the late like, you know.
Yeah. Do you know though, he's got this air. Never have I ever met a man to have an air of like je ne sais quoi, va-va-voom. I don't know what it is. Pizzazz.
Louise fancies Pat Kenny.
I fancy Pat Kenny. Him.
Right. Okay. Near Capney go then I should have adval code.
I mean, Dama Rev there in here on show now. She'd go through me for a short.
Yeah. But Neil, because they're in Fóill of London.
Thought she.
Do you know what I mean?
Absolutely.
The politics outside the bedroom are fa iha wine.
I would have no bother leaving it outside the bedroom. Sorry, he looks amazing. He's in great nick and he smells good.
Whoa.
Go again.
Insert Pat Kenny slide voice now.
I'd say.
Whoa. Sound like shin now, so Sean Lappa. Why?
Anyway, shin. But whoever that random man is that left that comment. Now I'll take the Wogan. Or achtu Ríomh on Delav on atá going in Limnach.
The Cherry Wogan, yes.
Cherry Wogan.
I think your Hogtus. Oh no, that wasn't Wogan. But Queen Hogtus Michelle Hugh load mod naked in Limnach, and you were like, show me the sites and the statues. I was like, okay, Louise.
Did we go? I don't know.
No, near Cumar Gargo Wogan now. Oh, Tasha Feckham though. I know it.
Yeah. It's absolutely diabolical.
Oh really?
Yeah, he's never looked as ugly. Blind Boy actually is the whole thing about it. It's a dreadful representation, but I go now Kena is Greenland. I think I will in scale Ríomh but or Anvain, but I remember the night before I started my job at Today FM, right? Because you know the I love a sign and I'm like a real pashogach. Hui me out and I got Delav because I was living in the city at the time, and I like just touched it and I was like, give me a bit of luck for tomorrow.
Oh stuff. Yeah. Is it a cuss like
rubbed his nose?
Oh. On Ruddy shin? No, Curty Two Slash.
It's like Molly Malone's
boobs. Okay, yeah. Now, Dámar they gurienda again Dalav Diem and knock Rev Shay Dahul. I'd be like, do it again.
Yeah.
Start again. Get a fresh slab of marble and denarish day.
Girl, marble. Aren't you very fond of yourself? You'll be in the wax museum first. The fucking carve you out of a candle.
From wax to marble.
And they can make sure they get your little Powell.
My Powell in my hole. Yeah. Oh, stop it too.
Have you Queen lad on Cian of the Yenshi the Sinead O'Connor?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I don't know. We're slating them all, but Tashid Kahanish like.
Oh, sure, listen, art is subjective.
Yeah. Please make me one.
Well, Domrode Gurva Lata Ve Dteagmháil linn. And if you're that quick and clever, leave us an owl comment or, I don't know, a number for someone who makes wax statues so we can sort you out for a Kate Brella Ella. Tommy Dare howtogael on Insta, on TikTok, wherever you do your bits, or you can leave us an email fada at howtogael@gmail.com.
Go hauling. All right, Glenn. Good time and a shock to know. Right.
All right.
Okay, so Tomid Lauren Taurig tá sé anathe so chuir sé seo me is Suíomh faoi dul lein to Sira, but then your flight goes awry and you get stranded on a desert island.
The dream.
You know, these are the places my mind goes in it with postpartum anxiety. No, but Freisin fi mé spráige ag an pod creile desert island discs and mála an pod creile sin an agent leis. Yeah. So sin deagná bhín to play obviously like 8 tracks, a book and a luxury item that they would take to a desert island. So if it makes me if we show me actually I'll play MJ and I was like, Tom can show a flay if we desert island. Agus thought MJ like, why a desert island? And I was like, it's Freisin. Like the biggest probability is Michigan's tussa Tom get etched to be like far and foreign and like we hop out with parachute and we get stranded An Blascaod.
Oh.
So, well, you'd think a hauling, but níl aon Leictreachas An Blascaod. I don't think we'll aon seirbhís fóin An Blascaod. So, like, for all intents and purposes, like, An Blascaod is a desert island.
Yeah.
You know? So, you've no human contact, no electricity, and no chance of rescue for a long time.
Yeah.
And Thomas Condultreed are listed in a ruddy that we would hope that we would have packed and lost in Agus when I dug a farn for.
Gahaling. Well, I mean, if this was actually a real life scenario, I would clearly have nothing packed, and you probably would be.
No, do you know what she'd have? She'd have a belly button bar and a few tops from Brown Thomas,
17 pairs of sunglasses. Just her againn
and a recording of Pat Kenny. Whoa. Yeah.
Like, actually, probably. That is the most likely thing. But, you know, gomín tú ná an dolamach go An Blascaod agus cúpla ihe cabhain.
Oh, yeah, tá cúpla cottage sira gur féile do fanat. An Freisin bín deis dul agus like an sira, like, sorry, an saoire a chahabh An Ilan ag obair mar like bín si dagóní ag glúr lanán gach saoire nu burt. Like kind of ara a hort dun tig agus dun trí cheach sira tá acu. But like actually deish me le agla bhíon duine acu. I think it was Oliver
Town, isn't it?
Well, current was Stocker. Yeah. But for me, I should be duine again Oliver Callan and Laird Freisin Daney and they're all like, you know, like Dennis do or do Toggins on Shuppadorach or sa shock, then you kind of have to get through your like fresh meat in the first few days because like there's no refrigeration mar go bhfuil nach bhfuil electric sound, so it really is like on it irgulta.
But it's small machine more like mer espress if you were kind of gonna do it. Like tá Anna gum Bert Carlin actually a limnock agus sé déanta and they'd a ball. Cha siad cúpla ihe ann.
Oh, cúpla ihe, yeah. But saola go bheith mar an lan an in dun saoire. That would be tricky. Now, rather wine, like, not to call them out, but like, ní bhíonn scoilge riachtanach le bheith mar an virgin An Ilan, but it's Ilan Gaeltachta isha. So I think I'm putting it out there. Bacor go actually riachtanach goil Gaelge acu. Now, Darren J. Aaron Seavidleen, like, it's a bonus, matal she agas, but níl she riachtanach. It's just riachtanach that you have barely, but like, boo.
Yeah, boo is right. Boo. But I'm sure Gref she dig fálam no Dana Víracht Gaelan Laird. Sure, it's only on Vertigo Vian anyway. Well, apparently
I'd been to Anna Gnohook, be the talked on Tamer Fat. Right, An Blascaod. Yeah. Oh, go heaving. Yeah, from the rat. Anyway, we're about to get stuck on it.
Yeah, well, let's change it.
Okay, so An Blascaod. So tá mála a bháin leat an savála sin cai tú rálam cadas na rudí seo a bheoh ann. Okay, so we're going to go a practical item.
Right. Cadarani tusa.
Lighter.
Oh yeah.
You know.
Meg tú cav.
Yeah, cúpla fags.
The vapes would run out. Cúpla fag. Lighter.
No, like the quinnel. Like níl aon Leictreachas. Yeah. Obviously a lighter is on a havok duck. No?
No, sin Anna. You know what, Stuma.
How else am I going to light my John Player Blues?
Hey, yeah, I was going to light the bits. Agus the scented candle, Mission Fig, you know? Beck an bougie quinnel agumsa.
Yeah, fine.
Okay,
so by quinnel agus by lost or agus. No, go on. What's your practical item?
Well, rounding misha via swing shin and I was like, right, the brother grab me sa caution and I was going to be stranded out in the Blascaods, right?
Okay.
And I kind of would want something to put my attention onto. I would go demented if I had to sit alone in front of a candle with my thoughts. So I thought what I would love would be like a stillúr alcohol.
Oh, for God's sake.
Okay. Agus saolig, right? Give yourself a little project out there and we could make poitín. If we had the still, right, we'd gather the grain, we could go mashing it, we could like, and it would be co-sauce. Agus like poitín, no alcohol, no they can dianta going. We could use it for like medical purposes. We could maybe bribe the pirates, get their boat off them.
Yeah,
do you know what I mean?
Yeah, Ryan leis na roan,
and just uncrack, like,
you know, some drunken seals.
Skill nua aulam.
So your practical item is a poitín still.
Yeah.
Okay.
A still, and like you can ferment loads of bits and bobs in it.
Okay, like fuck ishka. You know, it's
I was like, Glorishka, we'd figure that out. It rains enough. We'd have the pots out. We'd drink the rainwater.
yeah, do you know what?
We're grand. We're in Éireann.
Yeah,
I want to be partying on as well. If I have the full run of the Blascaod Islands, like, and people come out to save me, I want to at least be able to entertain them. Not with rainwater.
Well, entertainment is an céad rud ella.
Yeah.
So, okay, your practical item, cúis éigent is a still.
Yeah.
What are you bringing for entertainment? Rud a wine. Can't be electric.
Okay, well, I was actually thinking, wouldn't it be a bit of crack to have a microphone?
Níl éon Leictreachas sound.
Yeah, okay, but like in a dream world. Do you know
Or,
what I mean?
like, okay, well,
Or in
cén
some
cúis.
form of, like, I was thinking some kind of broadcast, like something
like
that
a
we
tape
could,
recorder.
a tape recorder.
You know,
where they
so
could
go to a vlog basically.
A vlog. Tom ag tafod podcast agus mé an. Yeah, rud the cinnte mar sin. Or, you know,
Okay.
like, actually, sorry, I take it back, a radio.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, obviously.
I know, co-Roman fool.
How else would she
But,
listen
like,
to Today FM?
Absolutely, like, do you know what I mean?
Pod Kenny, where is he?
Someone has to play for me fucking Choosing Texas by Ella Langley 13 times a day. I think Bheoch Radio.
Bheoch Radio.
good
Yeah,
daft.
Bheoch. Yeah.
I've been through now and almost just, I don't know, I've living vicariously through
Radio na Gaeltachta.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
I was
Bheoch
live
Sigur
stream
Sigur.
of Helen Hay 24/7.
Yeah, okay, on Sailo Yas, 24/7.
Literally, oh yes,
Yeah.
you could be.
Literally.
Yeah, Kafutza.
Harmonica, mouth organ.
I mean, co-practical.
No, níl so practical. Seo the Cursey
Entertainment.
Sheamsiachta.
Yeah.
So like earlish ceol, but I just think shut and rud this like a date night, just a chorus of folk and then bed dull heart team linn on, then like park it up and going.
How are you going to crack like Misha on the still? Agus so
Misha leis an mouth organ like. You're thinking like, I want to be stuck on that island.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'd be a great time. We'd have harmonicas, fags, fucking poitín, radio on full blast. Sorry, this is like the dream.
This would have been illegal in the 1940s and Ilan atá blad alaguin.
Yeah. Love, it's probably still illegal.
Okay, an céad that is track ceol. I know that does a hate radio hortlash, but dá bhétá just track ceol a wine a hortlash hick an Ilan.
Yeah, track ceol want to Shinko Dakar nach Will Shame.
Texas.
She's in Texas. Ella Langley. Something kind of shite. Like, where's my husband, Ray? No. Okay. I think it will be Rudig and Tradishinta probably.
Really?
Because I'd want to be like leaning in. I'm already like fermenting alcohol.
Yes.
I'm
yeah.
like,
You're becoming
I'm a
peg.
woman of the land.
Tá just like Dréir Céile Fui lá déirnach an lá go Molly in sheet who own ilad and log and mean and rescue more and to tusa kind of crumha leis an couple her the cow.
I think I would have a recording agent. Bather are there in the laghad hain a Connor Rod agent Shannon like there in the key one of those ones she pulls out at the end of the night.
Okay.
And she could keep us going. You know,
but an tain track atá agat ar fá like Bather like bliana.
Yeah, but you know, Rod agent le scale. Something that makes me feel multi-emotional.
And data outlam gad. You know what I mean? Like, yeah.
It's Queen Lum nor Vian Vertigun in London. I don't know, did I tell you this story, right? Agus vi she occurred defer or Vian Merdane, like what's new, okay?
Classic.
And I was like, oh, how am I going to stop doing now, giving up and rushing me? So her make history, I was like, do you sing me a song there that you're learning? And she was like, okay, I knew I gone, but Shanad, I was like, perfect.
Perfect, just tell him a flexi out of an ish.
If you wish I data was with you, right? We had very good to show me. Agus Kashi Shach Dobage and got out cats out. There was about 18 verses. Excellent way to buy yourself a bit of time with Doireann Lachan. So Tom Shachan and June Shin around you. 17 verses of Duran's finest. Flying column or something like the wild geese or they can
okay. No, but there's on a cliché. If you can track on a other around come off. If you swing of like thought track for the wem, or like you don't want count thought just like gá versa agus curfa mar bheoh sé harsh tubban, you know? I'd be like, where is it? Yeah. So we miss swing of like Bohemian Rhapsody and everything shin.
Yeah.
I know it's a classic, but like thon original that right that like every time you hear it, what? Rollum Queen.
Everywhere the wind blows, does it really matter? Or just
me.
like imagining the two of us like dancing around a bonfire with our poitín. Little high, little low. She went like their
and like thought she didn't take Cruiser. I can hear Bohemian Rhapsody reach.
Pass me another job player.
But Rollum Fair the lunch show. Come on. Come on ticket to okay, shouldn't track you. Well, it's just be capping like everything see the shin like clush ha rud again to new a gach or Haitian Cade like Quago or anyway. And Cater Della is lower.
Yes.
Now Mar Yanan Sheed Desert Island Discs, Neil Cad, and Bibla around new like the full encyclopedia collection.
Yeah. Well, tá much an rana go mana féin. I think it would be right and just Agus Shinna Own to read Peg. Ní sé riamh leite go.
Oh, perfect.
And I'd be like, she give us a run of the play of events.
Yeah,
Do you know what I mean?
yeah.
Like, here we are with the elements, existential dread,
Yeah.
and Peg. Or Talánach.
Yes, Cumhleashgas,
Yes,
or
an
Talánach.
Talánach.
Yeah. There you go. Okay, that's shin really cultured.
Yeah. Well, bheoch Peg go ma, because like she was the woman about town.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Sheer Snam. So like there'd probably be tips in there.
Oh, you're right.
And she'd give us places
She'd be
to
like,
allow her to go.
her book is basically How to Blascaod.
Imagine though, and
Yeah.
you could go to all the bits and bobs.
Sure.
I know go to Tragoidach, didn't she lose children over the cliff edges and stuff? But like you go up and say, "I'll pray for them."
Yeah, data.
Look over. It's where Peg's,
Yeah.
young one was. And
Yeah.
like go temple the hill on.
Yeah, tourist. Yeah, tourist das o Laura Feg.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Cain Lara around does it.
Okay, so so just a really how swing if we show the missions around in a ruddy is firelup, like ruddy you could get a hat and stuff. So it's problem son Laura like it there's
50 Shades Grey. So, because I wouldn't have access to porn, I could just be having a wank to the sexy
Sorry.
pages. What? Like, why did you pick?
Who are you imitating here? Because it's not me.
It's my alter ego. I know. What am I going to say? Like, I have to.
No. So it's Laura Oiga. So Uth around the random Philip Pullman or if we Philip Pullman, and he has a trilogy. But I used to have the trilogy in Ein Laura wine. So his Dark Materials, so 3 Laura and it's fucking brilliant. Lege. It's like fantasy shra.
Oh.
But it's no riding dragons.
Harry Potter vibes?
Does it Shanice Far, not Harry Potter?
Oh,
Yeah.
Big statement.
Yeah. Oh no, absolutely.
that the right?
His Dark Materials. So it's oh my god, the Northern Lights, Amber Spyglass, and Niquila Montriu Ken. But Shrap really ma.
Okay, so like it would be Rod sort comport agent.
Yeah.
A then and Shin
Dating the Lair and like it's such an
Yeah.
honest job and like dating need a labour reach.
Oh, Shingadas.
Yeah.
Okay. Boo. I thought we'd have now Christian Grey out there with us. Anyway, I suppose Peg
Well,
probably has. Was Shin in
A
our
Roy
Peg?
Gagan Gate Count Ella,
Yeah.
okay? So Nura hit on Etlon, idir Vaya Clia Agus Faran 4 via Ilan An Blascaod V celebrity exi Sia Conna Lachalat Agus she'd on tain dinner a var on Crash Tragoduc Etlon shot,
Yeah.
okay? So Kane celebrity of VC Nacalat in 13C.
Like, Nervesa Suíomh fwy, I'm sorry now to be a wanker, but Randy May Declan.
No.
Okay, so I take it back. Can we bring him back from the dead?
No,
sorry,
Nira-
on Celeb.
Oh, on
New at
Celeb.
Dog.
Oh, yeah.
Can we bring back the Celeb New Undead? Man come again. How's your name out in the Blascaod
So
though?
Keen co fucking Aaron Agus Das.
But he'd be handy, Mercury Vegan. He'd have all of the star in the height.
Yeah.
He'd be harvesting magic mushrooms for us, no doubt.
Yeah.
He'd be like, doing bits and bobs and building houses out of.
Yes, yeah, I know.
Help,
Agus,
we'd be like
yeah.
planting bits.
I know.
Agus
Bheadh
ag
sé
fáil am an
Anam
tamar
Gach,
fad.
pork a horse
Yeah.
bit. Agus, yeah, okay, Bheoch Manacon.
Agus bheoch sig mag there na hí
Anna úsáideach.
There's a branaun, probably on harmonica, a giant,
Yeah.
agus tuna Connellin, agus sinna géisio around the Like, it just sounds like other
Oh, and
voices.
wouldn't Aaron it on Leictreachas?
Oh, Lacuna Brade.
Agus so
Agus
thought like
not
on
gone.
Ballucon Shog and Leictreachas, because wait till you hear who the fourth person in our settlement is.
Right.
Alan Carr.
Love.
Mishatusa Manacon Agus Alan Carr.
Oh, agus like, do you know what? Because another woman would have caused trouble. So that's a gay instant.
Well, I just think like he's honestly kind of he is grand for air down.
Yeah.
Gawk for the Aaron shape,
Yeah.
be McGoyer, and I just think we need a little bit of comic relief Agus
Yeah.
Madera Nilon.
Yeah. And he'd be loving, he'd be hogging Bohemian Rhapsody. I'd say Radio Nugget that wouldn't get a word in edge rates. Oh my God.
Oh my God, it's Brawlham.
Yeah.
It's Brawlham, our little
Yeah.
quadrant
Yeah.
than Caharaguin.
Cahalling, yeah.
Okay, now, and Kate Rodella, scent. Bulla, Kane Bulla. So, like, I'm like, do we have a jar of it? I don't know. I remember Etelt, like, Proca, then Bulla is Farlin, Baideray.
What airline were we flying on?
Huh?
Did the trolley of bits fall down? Like, I'm thinking, if it's Ryanair anyway, we're all wearing that cheap fucking rotten, like, boots smelling fake Louis Vuitton or whatever. No, it's like that one, sorry, it's like Lancome Miracle or something. Sorry if you wear that perfume, but like, do you know, every time you go on a Ryanair flight, they're selling it for 20 euro.
It's Mollum, Lancome, can I count La Vie Belle?
Well, I'd say now you could rattle a trolley of Olivier Bell, probably fell down with us. There'd be a few bottles of that, to be honest.
Okay, Tá bhí mar etalt le not Ryanair le Aer Lingus am cumhrán níos fearr Aer Lingus.
I'd say ní liscom on me and ag deal Tom Ford, but if I had to choose for the rest of my days on Desert Island, I would go for Tom Ford. But you know that.
I'm just like, oh, your earth. So thought to.
Oh, we're only going to smell of stinky fags anyway and bonfires, like, so like it's not going to be much good to us.
But like also, ní gá that I show a cahabh. I was just thinking like a scent a hat nín slash like ní gá go mbeadh sé like cur earth.
Oh, so just what we're reading our book, we can have a little scent. Okay, well, cut that round. I got to.
We got count them. Okay, so the Guinness hops, you know, and Bulla eyes do lá clia like fáim sé agus méid tomant and shut, and I'm like, it's brawla me. So like little proc of my Guinness hop cooking smell. So go follow shin on Bulla all twice shin new. Smell of my daughter's breath. It's so gorgeous, like bonule, agus cute. Like when she yawns, we like are like running over to like stick our noses into her mouth. So can't shit.
Oh,
but you have your Tom Ford.
Okay, I'll have Tom Ford. Well, can I also add turf maybe or something?
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
Turf kind of the cherry on top. I'm sure by the time Mancon got his hands stuck into the earth anyway, we'd probably be footing turf.
Oh, absolutely.
The Blascaod's burning our own.
Yeah, I know. If you're a little grow gawns, then
Yeah. Oh, does she like really?
No, Narca will be delighted. Go hug me lighter lum.
Well, listen, only for you.
Because King
Alan Carby in the corner tried to do Flint. What you call it? Tried to get a spark. Come on, Alan, for fuck's sake.
Okay, Cater's Ella, luxury item, okay? So on Rud Shaw, ní féidir leis ein úsáid practicúil a bheith aige. So it's just like Rud so avoid.
Neil ceanna gom faoi láthair. Like them just cúpla second. Well, ceanna got?
No.
Okay, luxury.
Let's do 30 seconds of Suíomh.
Yeah,
in the edit, it'll be magic. Yeah, okay. A diamond necklace.
Oh, I see even I'm shin.
Like, Kefa, knock me up diamond necklace or Agus Mary and An Blascaod.
Yeah.
You know? A shawl and a diamond necklace.
Agus shawl.
Oh! Yeah. I just think like, you know, Hitche Ovala the Digantella, obviously not flying Ryanair if there's diamond necklaces flying through the air after this crash. And I just think go Mahawig May really, really go own.
Calling, girl, I'm right there with you. I'll have a diamond belly button ring phone.
Alan Carby like, gimme.
Sorry, this sounds like Erach the Ríomhphost on shin. Oh my god, it's about the doctor who goes over to the Galapagos Islands. Eden. Anyway, it's all about these people who land onto the Galapagos Islands, right? And there's initially like a doctor and his wife who settle there, and then another German couple come and they try to like turn it into, you know, to live there, to make it habitable. But this like Maria, an inventing Anna of the whatever 1930s, right, lands on, and she's like letting on to be this French aristocrat who's coming to build a hotel there, but she comes off the boat with like, you know, luxury silks and like all this, only to end up, I don't want no spoilers, but like it doesn't end well, so let me tell you, the diamonds only get you so far, Agus, they were ill on.
Okay, so is that a cautionary tale for me? Is that a
not
warning?
At all. I think like die in style anyway. If you're gonna get murdered,
who's
like
dying?
I don't know, like when we start eating each other when we run out of food.
No, the mission sounded like I'm thinking like Tarzan, like I'm back to you on Scotland Tarzan, like you know, Tana Anve kind of a Carolyn, Agus, like Narone, Tana Roan kind of a Conna, Agus a Carolyn, Agus like we're one lesh on Ilan.
Totally, and we're gonna be down like, you know, Aaron Droig, Glareth, we'll be talking to the Murr people, surely, but God,
Agus
doing a few deals with them.
Yes.
I'll swap you a diamond for a few fish.
No, I'm not swapping diamond for fish. They can have some John Player Blue.
Perfect.
For a haddock.
Calling.
Okay, Harrod Falca, okay. Piece of beer, okay. So on piece of beer shot now, just quibbling shot Neil Kushner Agus, okay, no refrigeration, and like this is better rudig if you Agus nor thought to H law ma have Agus new drug law. It's kind of a celebratory like food item. So and like you can only eat it once. Citration Emma Gwil to own. So care day.
You can only eat it once.
Well, you don't have endless amounts of it. Hit to a Makos etalon. You don't have a truck.
It's rudig and Grafede Latage, and you can eat some of it and plant the rest.
Like Soutaloon.
Soutaloon or like an ool. I was thinking of Fosay Niha, you know my love of mushroom.
Yes.
Just in general.
Unfortunately.
I do. Well, or a tin of tuna.
A tin of tuna is your luxury food item?
But it would last forever, like.
How?
Do you know what I mean? What are you bringing, like, Rodagant?
I'm bringing like Barra Shockloyd Cadbury.
Barra Shockloyd Cadbury, yeah.
You know? And so like law, Tom would hate, I don't know, the day that we've like cracked it and like can convert like seawater to drinking water, I'm like, do you know what? Time to open up my crispy gold. Yeah.
Yeah, Barra
Cadbury's.
Shockloyd.
Yeah.
Shingama, yeah. I still think I'd bring a tin of tuna. Tá come pour down, dumsa. You know Gurma lumps in tuna, the tins of tuna, Tom Cthulhu, Wild Street Cat. I'd be there with my diamond, both in our diamond collars, and I share with you a bit of my...
Yeah, that's got on the Aristocats. That's it. Okay, Agus an ceann Dearnach, not Jock.
What's your famous sorted anyway?
Well,
bottle of champagne.
We'd have an old bottle of,
yeah.
But like a richt, ní féidir ach or wine, haar and tree blina goma down.
Yeah.
Budel champagne.
Well, absolutely, because we wouldn't be able to keep the fizz in. Yeah, Budel champagne.
KD. Okay. Well, what else is there to do?
Come on, Alan, tell us a few jokes. I'd love that. Honestly, I wonder on Reverie of Fela. No Kjolchur no in there.
Elon.
I know me and Cormac Begley and Gominnic Dane of na just na session.
Yes. Being I don't know if we in An Blascaod, but being failty own air quid in a hill on air go to in air. You know. Yes, you know. So like shin. Oh, just it's brought him the hill on. Gaeltachtas brought him the hill on Amako coast and a heron. Now I don't know where one of that Treika Ilon fat tree blina, but lied Mahorlin Shay Tomwood set.
Agus few in Aaron, like, you know, Viochantalin, like we've no poisonous rattlesnakes or any of that crap, like, you know, ta Viochantalin actually sounds Volta, and if we really fucking needed to, we could probably swim into Dingle Lake.
I don't think we could.
Can we not?
Well, you
go we could fashion some kind of a, you know, what you call it, a raft. Or a currach, and we could get our way in. I'd say be grand, a few pints, and do you know what? We'd probably want to come a rash away or east.
Hold on to make Erie on a Ibermock. So
K8 kilometre.
It's Truckacuig Godahad kilometre.
Truckacuig Godahad kilometre. It's not.
Oh, you can should a snob, Louise.
Well, people swim the English Channel.
Yeah, Latrino,
but try to be a mocker in Latrino.
August Brosla.
We could be
all we have is a tin of tuna and some mushrooms.
A few fags. Honestly, I think it will be a lot of people's dreams to be stranded out in Blascaod.
Yeah, but not yours. So you'd be like,
I don't know. Leis an stuff sin father going. If we the right company and the right crack, Agus, I could see myself. We start a distillery. We give Dingle Gin a run for their money.
And muff liquor.
Yeah. Poitín na hill on. I don't know, the Rodagant town. It would be.
It does say tusnú gno, like ní féile just see agus fucky in it. So do literally a tusnú gno with the inkin and shot.
I know, but do you know what? Fioshin is Aiska anyway, you know, a cur could they going like surviving. Just a
I don't know what. A Marachdal,
I suppose. Aaron in on shin, Marialis Grev Dinian, you know, Trod Rev. So it's not completely.
Yeah, níl sé in dainte tá agat. Yes, obviously, really, but I think Rose sheets in a wad níos crua ná muidna. Tá muidna a dahir sail on a vogue, Louise. Come on now.
Well, tá muid. But I'm Cana. I think that I don't think either of us would be stupid idiots. Like, I think we'd manage. I actually think you just would go a
Famous last words.
Famous last words. I know.
TG Cahir, you need commission survivor. Agus Kermishix Louise Ilan An Blascaod.
Sorry, sound like I know you see. It's a donkey. But like, if it was a tropical remote island and there were all those bits and bobs running around.
No, because then Viok like na her niver August na han for her fiona coma. So
what do brand new Euphoria?
No.
Oh. Just so rare can no spoilers. Yeah.
It's about our autograph telefish today.
I know I
don't know.
Yeah.
We've swapped places.
Yeah, but anyway.
Okay, glúis na seachtaine. So ag ascart own Bléisin ar fad Ilan Treika, not desert island. Which is weird because I thought desert island was like a desert island, Mariella desert, but Treika is like deserted. So is it a deserted island?
Yeah.
Question
lei. Should Ilan An Blascaod be Treika? Sin Keshella?
No.
Yeah.
Nícor.
Yeah.
Níl sé.
Well, Neil Shay, but Neil Dini out, I suppose.
Oh,
you know,
fod.
Yeah.
Shania Stock and Shin Sarah. Ooh,
yeah, it's true, Shin, you know.
Yeah.
So
Fugad their trask like Honda their trask with the Queen and like Nadahadi, I think the Dini Dernica Aaron Elon.
Yeah.
So
Damarodic Rev Shlian, I suppose I can point Shin, you know, would if times were different, if things were available, there could have been life in the Blascads now. Not that there isn't, but you know what I mean.
So
it's actually kind of true and will.
Oh yeah, it's more and true.
Yeah.
But if I'm with now, so
yeah, we're Avioch in the Blascaod. Let's go.
Okay, an céad clú seile, so seo, caiimé seo adbháil seo focail nua domsa, bhí mé I lurg an focail ar luxury, and níor hiag mé, like, tá so masach cluiste gom, but an focail so, S-O fada. And caiimé rá mar, you know, ag na Kildare Village outlets tá fógra acu, and they were like, that's so Irish.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, tá she just a cur fada ar an O,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
focail so béirle. But actually, bhí kind of hábhrí leis. So
Yeah.
Cabroner Kildare Village.
Player and vocal, yeah. Well, tá spa igen to taken to Geary and it's so spa.
Really?
Yeah.
There we go.
There
Got
you
on a
go.
lost sculla, guys.
Okay, cadella tá going tá bolla and the scent, Polari
Sha.
nostrils.
In the nostrils,
What are
you
you
know.
putting up your nostrils? The scent?
The Guinness hops.
Whatever.
There's hadn't on focal shinum, na Polari. I just think are focal dasty.
Yeah, gadas stillur a gumsa on stillur alcohol to be distilling the. Like, wouldn't it be great though? Would you like to learn a skill like that? Imagine.
Yeah, in fairness. Yeah. I have an
say do it.
elderflower tree in the garden. I keep talking about making elderflower
Yeah.
tonic. Have I done it? No, but like,
You're
yeah,
the
so with
woman
your
to do it.
shin, agus on stillor, you know, if
Yeah.
I make no hook.
Yeah, agus drugarucht is distilling. So, Sinead. We need to bring the party sheaf wherever
We
we
do,
go.
we do.
bring the horrors,
Yeah,
don't
but we
they?
don't need a still to do that, Louise. Anyway, okay, Raglan, you up agus Yachna Shachtana.
Right, yup na seachtainna. Well, come here all lads. I'm having a ball with the GA Championship. And
Tá
coming to
really,
Glasgow
tá
Mena.
cúpla.
Yeah. Tom actually went on a hoop as na cluichí pella in Mena.
Okay.
Tá an pella wad níos fearr leis na riile canua.
Oh, Cade von Gate.
Just tá na cluichí níos siamsúla
Yeah.
agus is malam gomór in bhíon underdogs ag an buinte seo sa and the wee county boys.
Yeah, I know.
I know chula mé nach raibh.
Ní raibh ma ahar on a house.
so
Bhí sé kind of Robert Frey, he was like, it's cuma, cén ceannatá an bua acu, you know, it's underdogs iad an há irin, so my hainch to ride go gun and but like, then he was actually devastated near Kyle Winnicon. Yeah.
Well, if he Desha and the Winnicon, like they could have made it into an
I
All
know.
Ireland semi final.
I know.
Vor. Yeah, but look, all aboard the loud bandwagon. I love the what's they Luaboo.
Luaboo.
And Luaboo.
On Luaboo.
On Luaboo nach chud sin
Yeah.
Yeah, the weekend.
And Sean Céadúr go sheets in out the Laghad ó
Nédeag chuige seacht.
fuck me.
I know. So it's more on Rudé. Agus tá si imrit I gonna muyo sa céad bhauta eile and then like they get into an All Ireland. I'd say now go the gimmerit I gonna Hiri tá Hiri agus Ballyockley gimmerit in I Céile, but it's hard to see the bit and to see anyone bit and carry. But like, can you imagine for Louise?
I know. Saolig an Lú now, Bork and Croker lá Canish na
It
Heron
wouldn't be a
like.
cow Milton Ardeen. I know. The RD Gardy would be
The Gardaí.
flat out.
I still can't do that accent, but it's
Go
a
on.
good one. No, I can't
Go
do
into
it.
your laugh.
Ní Aaron sheet an or and they're like our
RD.
It's no, when I say it sounds like I'm saying the car brand Audi, but it's like hello Audi, Gaudi. No, I can't do it.
No, we should not have up.
On Nero.
We need to correct their the Wallopers or Jinx Lennon or
Yeah.
Well, Anna got our degree of Jinx Lennon ag Cemetery of
No.
He's like this fella. Well, Anna got there, MJ. He's like this mad singer from Dundalk, and he's got a song
Dundalk,
called
hey.
"Fuck the Cunts."
Oh,
And it's just
beautiful.
a great one to sing along, like at a festival, because the chorus is just "fuck the cunts," and then he does a few more lines, and everyone "fuck the cunts."
Okay, I've changed it. That's the track I'm bringing to the desert island.
fuck the cunts. Okay, Agus Yach. Na seachas now go.
Go on.
Mis sé hí an sar acha tú chosa.
Chonnick.
I'm like fucking Padre Pio or Jesus Christ off the cross.
She is. She looks like she has
Stigmata.
stigmata. Sna a cad horla.
Yeah. So vís a cathh it's like sliders nua, a pair of flippers nua. Agus chur mé aramid agus mé siúl sa tas on Deirdín Chicata ag siúl tras na carach, and I swear to God, you know, just being is a good dear agus she'd cur earth that you're getting that cut. And I
Yes.
was like, how bad will it be? I'll make it to work. Anyway, Choluas vís a number. I was like, they've totally ripped a little Pauline at the top.
Tá Pauline sa gá chosaki.
Tá agus tá uachtar like antiseptic an ishmar. Literally, they're open wounds.
I hope.
Aren't they?
Open was is so dramatic. I hope the sliders were worth it.
No,
No.
chronic.
Oh.
No, no, bhí siad could ask. Do you know, I think raibh siad níos fashion than ná practicula. So anyway, now I'm inside.
Brent Thomas?
Ní Brent Thomas, no. Oh,
okay.
I don't know. So Yach and Seachtaine is blisters.
Blisters.
Agus, you know what? I've been done dirty by blisters hiring a blianta. I really have another one that comes to mind.
Caimé rá níl ain't scelt againn model of blisters. I'm delighted I can't partake in this
Really?
conversation. No, like they just haven't featured that largely in my life.
You've never broken in a new boot or a shoe?
Oh no, because she'd fight to come, but I'm not like, wait, and I tell you about this like historical blister go warm me.
Oh,
go on.
I've had oozers, yeah.
Oh,
I remember wearing a stunning pair of All Saints boots. It's always the expensive ones, isn't it? No, Doc Martens are.
yeah, Doc Martens good on. Yeah.
And I wore them, and I remember the long walk into EP out around for the whole weekend. Agus, yeah, na blisters olvor vi go mar masáile.
Gailge blister ná spúach. Hánig spúachna mo chosa.
That's it. Cúpla spúch go manú an tachtan seo.
Cúpla
So,
spúach.
yeah.
Yeah, tá si cosúla, is a creased a féin.
I know, can I actually thinking to cream a love ID?
Not Jane. Blasphemy. Come on now.
Oh, yeah, sin actually. Come leis gil a her nefa.
Okay, sin dear an ep. Biggie dagfall linn fog trocht Spotify, new YouTube, biggie dagfall on Ríomhphost, howtogael@gmail.com, new Instagram, Agus TikTok. Tick what?
Tick what? Tickad?
TikTok. Míle buchas a fáilte Ireland as earth yet a an bud show Mars Canach, Agus Gideon Chalk and Shogun. Son!
She viewer Xula the egg and there, do you know when the plane lands? And we're now coming into Shannon and the temperature is 25 degrees.
And you can get some Lancome La VA Bell from the hosts right now. Son!